Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my first ever unboxing video in this channel. So this package was given to me by Reason Legacy. I really love these stamps outside the box. They are so cute. The first thing that I noticed upon opening the box is that it smells so good. So whatever they sprayed on here, I really love it. It is well packed with this bubble wrap and tissue paper. So first I'll be opening this little box here. I guess these are the liquids. So these are cards of the company showing all the details, contact details, and their social media accounts. So this box comes with 6 bottles. First one is this primer, Band-Aid. It says here primer and Band-Aid. So use this to prep your nails. And I love that there is an instruction at the back of the bottle. And then this one is their base coat. I really love the texture of the bottle. You can really feel the quality, and I love that it is transparent so I can see if I still have a product in it. And this one is the activator. So these bottles comes in 15 ml, so it's pretty much the size of the liquids that we usually get. And then this one is their air dry top coat. Ooh, I am so intrigued with that air dry. I can't wait to try it. And then this one is a brush extender. I believe this is like a brush saver. So you use this when your brush gets hardened by the activator. And then this one is so cute. It's a cuticle oil in a 5 ml bottle. I super love that it is small and handy. You can bring it with you anywhere. And yeah, it also comes with this cute orange stick. So those are the liquids and cuticle oil. I really love this stamp outside the box, and their logo is just super nice. I am so excited when I saw these cute nail stickers. It is perfect for the upcoming Easter Sunday. It's really nice and colorful. I can't wait to try those ones. It also comes with this instruction manual, which I think is very helpful, especially when you are still a beginner. I also got 2 of these 180 grit hand files, and I love that their name is written in there. And here are all the dip powders. I really can't wait to open them and see all these beautiful colors. But first, I noticed that their packaging is really nice. I just want to say thank you so much to Miss Natalie, the owner of Reason Legacy. I really love everything. Hi there again, so I am back to try all of these products. I will be doing a mani using these three colors. So first I will be using the lightest color, which is the Sugar Plum. I really love this lilac color. And using the Reason Legacy base coat, I will be applying a thin layer on my pinky finger. So my next color is going to be Bittersweet. This is a magenta color. It is so nice. I am really loving this one. So as you can see, I am starting a small strip in the middle because I want to build my apex. So apex is the highest point of your nail. I want to do this because my builder gel underneath is not that thick. But I love that I have a thinner builder gel now because I can still dip on it without it being super bulky. So I am just building my apex. So moving on to my middle finger, I have decided to do an ombre of these two colors. So I am using this eyeshadow brush to sprinkle the powder. So gently just tap the brush and make sure to angle your finger upwards so that you will achieve that nice gradient effect. So I am just doing the same process, but this time I am pointing my finger downwards. Dust off all the excess, and I am now doing my second layer. This time I will be starting with Bittersweet. Make sure to always clean your cuticle area. And this is my ombre finger. Now I will be moving on to my glitter, which is the Glam Girl. So this is actually my favorite color among all the colors, but all of them are actually nice. It's just that this one really catches my attention. I super love this glitter because even though it is chunky and it has these large pieces of glitters in it. It is really super easy to apply. It lay flats on your finger and look how gorgeous and stunning it is. So I got some of these chunky glitters from this dip powder, and I have decided to put it here on my thumb to add more accent, of course. And here is the outcome. I super love these rose gold chunky glitters. So I am just going to apply this clear powder, which is a pure diamond, and use it to clear and encapsulate everything. So this clear tip powder is what's going to protect my nails, so when I start filing, I won't remove or file off the colors and glitters. So as you can see, I am pouring the powder over this cupcake liner so I won't contaminate this newly opened clear powder. After dusting off the excess powders, I am now going to apply Reason Legacy's Activator. So basically, Activator is what's going to harden the nails before we start filing and shaping. Using this Reason Legacy 180 grit hand file, I am just going to file, shape, and buff all my nails off cam, and I'll be back. So this is how my nails looks like after filing and shaping. I also buffed it already, so I am already applying my second coat of activator. I have already wiped my nails and made sure that the activator is completely dry, and now I am going to apply Reason Legacy Air Dry Top Coat. So after you apply your first layer of top coat, make sure to wipe the brushes before you put it back in the bottle. By doing this, you can avoid the hardening of the brush or your liquids getting contaminated by the activator. Just in case your brush hardens, you can use the brush extender and soak it there for around 24 hours, and after that you can use it again. So I am really impressed with these liquids from Reason Legacy. They are so nice, and look how shiny and glossy this top coat is. I am so impressed. So I am almost done, but first let me apply this Reason Legacy Cuticle Oil. And this is the final look. I am really impressed with Reason Legacy products. These are my first time trying it, and I can say that the quality is really amazing. The packaging and colors are super stunning. I also fell in love with their liquids. I really highly recommend it to you guys. If you want to purchase from them, you can use my code JESS10 to save you some money. I will be putting all the details in the description box. Again, super thanks to Miss Natalie and to all of you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now!